Hi everyone. In this video we will learn how to delete a bookmark in Google Chrome browser. As you can see, I got a couple of bookmarks here. If I want to delete a bookmark, I can simply take my mouse over the bookmark like this and right click. Here you can see I'm getting this option delete. Just click on it to delete it. This is the one way. Let me show you the another way. Simply take your mouse over these three dots and click. Here you will find this option bookmarks and lists, and there is an option bookmark manager. Just click on it. You will see all the bookmarks here, and you will also see the bookmark folder. In my case, I only have two. So the bookmark bar, I got two bookmarks, and if I want to delete any one of them, I need to click on these three dots at the end and click on delete. You can see it is gone. So you can utilize one of these two ways to delete bookmark in a Google Chrome browser. That's enough for today. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.